guys, how are you doing? Hope you're doing good, everyone. My name is Frida Kasim, and on today's video I'm going to show you the tools for beginner, what you need to have so that you can start applying makeup and so on. So first you need a mirror. That's my mirror. You need a mirror so that when applying makeup you can see what you're doing. Next, you need a eye pencil for your eyebrows, and and you need a brush to clean your eyebrows. And after doing your eyebrows, you need a concealer, the one that you'll use to clean your eyebrows. And next, after that, after doing your eyebrows, you need to apply your eyeshadow. First you start with the eyebrows and then eyeshadow for your eyes. You need eyeshadow. That's my eyeshadow. So let me show you. That's my eyeshadow. Don't nimetumia but still ni new. Next, you need eyeliner. After applying your eyeshadow, you need your eyeliner. As you can see mine. You see my eyeliner. My eyeliner, it is this one, the black one. Eyeliner. When you are done with your eyes, next you apply your foundation, and mine is Milan foundation. Milan is a Milan. And after applying foundation, next you pick your concealer, and when you're applying your concealer, you apply on your lower eye, here down, on your eyes, here down. You don't apply the whole face. Apply here down. And after that, you use this brush to blend your concealer. You see this one. This is the brush. There you go. And after that, you apply your powder, black opal. This is my powder. It is a finishing powder, black opal. And when applying black opal, you use Indian brush, not me. This one. And after that, after you are done with your powder, the last thing you apply, it is this one, shiny setting. This one. And you are done. You are done with everything, because for now I don't have a spray to show you the finishing one. On the next video I'll be showing you. So for now, thank you so much for watching, and kindly subscribe, share and like. Bye bye.